Meaning of door furniture.
Door furniture.
Door furniture.
Door furniture.
Door furniture. Door furniture refers to the various decorative and functional items that are used to enhance the appearance, security, and functionality of doors. This can include handles, locks, hinges, knockers, letter plates, and more. Door furniture is an important aspect of interior and exterior design as it can add character and personality to a space while also providing practical benefits such as enhancing the security of a property or improving the ease of access to a room. Choosing the right door furniture can greatly impact the overall look and functionality of a space.